Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to be working on a bird collage. It is a challenge by Nellie and Ruth Designs here on YouTube, and the hashtag is hashtag in our bird collage, and it is a blast. Okay, so normally I work in this book, which is quite large, and you know, my collages are large, but today I want to make a postcard. A collaged postcard, like to send out to somebody. So I was working on this project, and I was using this collection, specifically this paper, and I knew I wanted to use this paper for a bird collage, but I didn't think it would really work on the big pages, and I thought this is perfect for a postcard, and I've been wanting to make some postcards. So this is the collection, Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby, and here's a picture of the back. It's beautiful, and I really wanted to use it. So this was the paper that really caught my attention. I Googled size of postcards that can be mailed in the US, and the largest is 6x9. So this is 6x9. I keep looking at it thinking it looks really big, but I don't know. But I keep it's 6x9. I don't know if I will cut it down or not. I may cut it down some because it seems pretty obnoxious, but I think it's okay. I mean, now that I'm thinking about it, the things that we get like from the politicians and stuff are this size. So anyway, I'm going to cut this down to the correct size, and then we'll decide what I'm doing with it. I honestly don't know, except I want to use that paper. And I want to make a postcard. So let's cut this down. I barely left enough of it. Oh, it's going to cut right through that butterfly. I think I will cut a little bit off this side so that I'm not cutting, because all I'm going to cut is like this tip of the butterfly. So I'm going to cut some off the edge here. And then I'm going to get almost all of the butterfly. And I don't know if the butterfly is going to show in the long run, but I didn't want to just cut like that, because I would have got like that much of it that I got on the other side. I didn't want to do that. Okay. So this should be the right size. Now I'm trying to decide. I don't think I want to put it down yet. I'm not real sure what I want to do. But I have some other scraps from today. I have this scrap that I could put on here somewhere. And I have this scrap. I got out a bunch of stamps to do the postcard side and any other thing I decide to do. I've got these beautiful stickers, and I've got all of these dies that come with it. I thought I'd try to incorporate something on here, but I've got all my pretty stamps that I decided to pull out. I should have separated them by postage and other. So then I'll know. Oops. Okay, these are all postage stamps. And these are all ones that I might use on it. Okay. So now, oh, the other thing that I did is I got this out of my what's her name? Actually, I drew a blank. Edith Holden book, and I thought I might use some of this. It talks about a garden, so I think I will go ahead and cut that apart, and I'm just going to cut out the center, or even just tear out the center part of it, because I really like using these flowers on different things. So I think what I'll do just tear it. That leaves me so I can cut out those flowers, and I also have this pretty part right here. Yeah, my ruler moved. Okay, so then we have this section. And it's all about flowers and gardening, so I thought that would go along very nice with it. Put this back over here, put it in my book. Okay, so now what do I want to do here? After I cut this down, I'm really kind of thinking about tearing it right here. Well, this won't go to waste, and I may end up like just putting a center part and having, that might be what I do. I'm going to get my water brush so that I can tear where I want to. Make sure I don't have any paint on it. So I'm just going to tear along. I think I'll tear like right down through here. It's not doing what I want it to do. I must not have had it wet enough. Okay. So then that will go here. And then I could tear along here. Let's get that paper out from underneath. I've been struggling trying to get back into my craft room and get my creative juices back, for lack of a way to say it. So, I gotta wipe that off. There's water all over it. Been away from my craft room for a while for fun stuff. I kind of want this to be more, maybe I better use my water brush so it looks like the same type of tear, huh? I think I'm going to make it like this. Except that, well, maybe I don't want that rounded. I kind of do. There we go. There we go. Okay. So then this would go over here. So then I need to put some paper in the middle, and I got this one. Put this one on there. Let's see how this would look. Yeah, that would be neat. So maybe I'm just going to start with putting this paper down on there and then go from there. I'm going to tear off that little piece that's hanging out. Oops. Glad I need glue on that paper because I just got some on it. Glue all over me. last few things, came back into my room yesterday after a very long weekend away. And I haven't been able to like actually plan. I just kind of get an idea and then just have to get started because I can't come up with it. I can't think of it ahead of time. I had an excellent weekend. I got to see my grandkids. Yeah. The baby, he will be 3 months old on June 5th. And I haven't seen him since I left when he was born. So he was 3 weeks old last time I saw him. I've seen him on FaceTime and stuff, but not in person. Which I'm very thankful for FaceTime. I don't want to sound like I'm not. It's just not quite the same, you know. Okay, so then this we'll put in here. Yes, okay, but we got to put some ink on this. And we ran all over. My sister-in-law and her family were here, and my husband's family. We were sitting there trying to figure it out, and we believe it would have been his grandma's great-grandma. But she was born on the Trail of Death, which is Potawatomi. Not the Trail of Tears, Cherokee. It's the Trail of Death, Potawatomi. And they ended up settling here in our area. But anyway, there's a Potawatomi marker of somewhere where they camped on their trail, and we believe it was probably the last place that they would have camped before leaving. They must have. I mean, I'm sure that they didn't just let them escape. Let them just stay. So they must have escaped somehow. But anyway, we drove to where that is and saw that marker. So that was interesting for my husband and his sister. Okay, I'm liking that. And I don't know if I need this in here. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think I need that. Alright, so if I put this here like this, then what am I going to do? That's a good question. Oops, let me put the lid on my ink before I stick these stickers in it. I'll look at my stamps here. I pulled out one that's got a B. I think I've got two of them. I'm not going to need that one. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, so I pulled that one out. I've got some, I could put this, maybe the other one that I have that's, that one, and there's my other B. I thought I might use that. Here, this is what I'm looking for, this cursive. Maybe I will stamp that down in this area. Let's do that. I don't want it to be perfect, so I'm not going to put it on a block. I think, oops, I think I will use my scorched timber, I think. Yeah. Am I even where you can see? No, I am not. Let's scoop things up. I've got so much stuff out on my desk. Okay, there we go. Yeah, got it on my fingers. So I'm just going to lay it right there. There we go. maybe put a little bit more right up here. There we go. It got smeared because, oh well, I'll figure something out there. Okay, let me wipe that off. This back on here. This is a Hip Stamp Hooray, and I got this at Walmart. And I may have done all that upside down. I don't know if I did or not. No, I don't think so. It's American Crafts. I did not get it at Walmart. Did I say Walmart? I got it at Hobby Lobby. I think I said Walmart. Okay. Just trying to make me a little bit more room here. So I like that. That looks okay. And I have some stencils out that I thought I might, as that stamp set I don't want to use. Let me put it over there. I'm not sure. I just got out. I've got some little circles. I don't want to use the coffee stain. I don't want to use that. Got some flowers, and I think I'll use the circles. And this time I will use antique linen. Get that on my thing. Oops, I got it on there very crooked. That thing, the Velcro's coming off of it. Okay, so we'll put some of this down through here. I thought about using modeling paste, but I decided not to. It's looking pretty good. Oops, I don't have any right down here. Okay. Let's see if that covers it. Yep. Okay. I like that. Now what? This I want to stamp one of my Fake Kindness, but I think I want to stamp it on something else and put it near the top. Maybe we will stamp a bee on here somewhere. Let's see. Like, it's pretty good right there, but I think that's probably where my little saying will end up. Maybe I'll just put it there. I haven't used these yet and they don't want to come off. There. We have block for this one. I don't know where my smaller ones are, so I'll just use this. And I think I will use a gray. Possibly I should stamp this off on something since I haven't used these. It acts like it's not getting any ink. Let's see if it was. Oh yeah, that stamp's really nice. I like that. The bees on it were a lot bigger than I was expecting. But that's okay. Look nice. I like that bee. Alright. Let me see about maybe one more on this side. Figure out which one's not humongous. I think the one I used is the only one. Where's my other bee set? I've got two bee sets. Here we can use this little one that's right there. I don't know why these two, oh, it's just stuck to it. Okay. We can use this one. And put this one over here. Oops, that's not working. And we'll put this one maybe right here. I don't have any there. Oh, my husband just got home. There we go. That looks good. Okay. So maybe I should decide where I'm going to stamp that on. And let's see. I also thought about this one. That one would look cute coming out of there. Okay, I keep changing my mind, I'm sorry. Let's just use this one. This is Gathered Twigs. And I want this to stamp right here. Okay, not perfect. That stamp hardly ever does come out perfect, but it's okay. Okay, now another paper to stamp the kindness on. And we will do that on one that I gotta find here. Where did I put that? I just tatted it out. I think I even showed it to you. It was green. Here it is. This one. Stamp it right down here. I like this one that says kindness a lot. So for this one, I think I will use my archival ink black. It so I have room to tear it out. There we go. Alright, so we will tear this out. Okay, get some ink on it. That right there. I think that'll look good there. Okay, so I think I will start getting some stuff glued down and then we'll go from there. Because I think I like this base so far. I did a postcard swap with Mish Crafty, and I really enjoyed that. And I used her postcard in my recent Marguerite Miller collage that you needed something that came in the mail. So I used that, and that was fun to have. So I thought, I want to start making some postcards to send out. I think it's fun, and you know, it doesn't take a lot of postage. This is not cut straight or something. There, yeah, it's going on there. I just wasn't getting it right. Got some glue hanging off the edge here. Okay, so then this is going to be right here. Now, do I want to put any of this on here? We can see. Got a pretty sticker, but I don't think, unless I put it right there, but then that's going to cover up that beautiful pink. I think I need to scoot up, don't I? Flowers of the field. That might have looked cool coming out from underneath there, huh? Have it tucked underneath there. I think I like that idea. I wonder if I can, where's my thing? There it is. There we go. Let's see. The only problem is it says January, but that's okay. I like that there. Again, I keep wanting to put something. No, I don't like it there. I don't like it there because I don't want them across from each other. So what about up here? No, I don't think this is going to work. No, that's not going to work. Give that up. I don't know if any of these are going to work. There's another one of those flowers of the field. Most of them don't have duplicates. Look at the Polaroids that came with this. Aren't they pretty? Well, I'm not finding anything. Put that over that instead of having that one that was already there. I'm not liking any of it. Let's see about this. Beautiful Moments might work really pretty on there. Let's see. Yes, I like it right in there, or right here. Right there would be pretty, or right there. Okay, we're going to put that right there. Although, again, everything is on this side, so maybe, or maybe I can find something else to go over here. I could add this to the flowers that are already there, but yet it'd be another dimension. Or that one would be pretty added in there. Yes, I like that one right there. Okay, we're going to put that one there. Perhaps I should add some more glue to it, just to make sure it lasts through postage. You can just kind of, it doesn't like stick out big time, it just looks pretty there, I think. Put a little bit. I'm not putting very much, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of extra adhesive. They're very sticky, so I think they should be okay. Go. Okay, we'll put this one down. Maybe I could put a flower coming out of it. Yes, that looks pretty. I like that one. Okay, let's do that. I have a hard time getting these off of here. There, I'm getting it. I thought I was getting it up at the top, but it was just taking the whole die cut of the flower, like the whole backing and everything. It wasn't quite cut right. Okay. Stick this coming right here. Let's put some glue on this one. Go. Where's my, there it is. Okay, I think that is all for this side. So then we'll turn this over. Oh, I got it dirty. Not dirty, but inky. Put all this in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is ink up the edge. Get the ink off of here so I don't get the other side inkier than it is. Okay, so on this side, get some stuff out of the way. Okay, I have my postage, or my postcard stamps, so this one's a little one. I've got the carte pastel, or however you say that, and I really like that one a lot, but we'll see if I have, I also have this one. I thought I had one that was really big, and I don't use it because it's so big, but maybe not. Or maybe I just have not got all of them out and don't realize it. So I think we're going to go with this one. And I'm going to use my archival ink for all of these. Put this in the middle, which I need to figure out where the middle is. Wait, do I not? I don't think I have that wrong. No, I need to go this way some. Alright, so that is the middle, I think, right there. Although, last time I did this, I turned this over. And I need to do a little bit of trimming real quick. It's driving me nuts. There's just a little bit up here. Okay, so I turned it upside down. I still didn't get that quite right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. I did it this way and I got a much better than trying to do it that way because I can't put my head over it and see it, and so I'm always getting it very, very crooked. Take this off. And then go. Okay. This is still a little crooked. I'm always stamping wonky. Now, this one has these lines that are supposed to go on here, but that's not going to work. So I think I will just use my ruler and draw them in myself. So we'll use, looking for my Sharpie pen. Well, here, no. I'll use this one, my lip pen. And we will just go, let's see, this is 9, so 4.5 is the center. So I'm going to go, how is that? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go from 4.25 over, and then here. How far did I go? To about there, I believe. Okay. And then I will put this in the center here. Let me the center, but I must have it off a little bit, so I'm going over a little bit because otherwise it'll look off. And I'm going to go right there. There we go. Alright, then I think I will put this place stamp here on here. It will probably be covered, but that's okay. And we'll put this right here. My line goes over it, but it's okay. There's going to be a stamp on there anyway. It probably won't even show in the long run. Then I want to put a kindly deliver to, or one of these on here. Just a moment, I've got to blow my nose. So, I like this kindly deliver to, or I've got this kindly deliver to, or please deliver to. I think this fits the best because this is so wide here, so we're going to use that one. Let it down and try to get it there. Should be okay. No, I can tell that that is not okay. Kindly delivered you. That works because I've got the kind on the back. Then I have snail mail, but I also have happy mail. And I think we'll do that one. I have a lot of stamps to pick up when I'm done with this. I don't know why that's back there. Probably because I was out of these. My husband brought these things home from work one time when they were changing things around. And I don't have very many of them. I think I'll put happy mail right here, or no, right here. Right there. Because then I'm going to put, consider this a paper hug down at the bottom. We'll put happy mail right here. And I love this stamp that says consider this a paper hug. I use it a lot. I'll put this right here. And you know what? Address is supposed to be on this side and message on this side, isn't it? But that's okay. And I didn't mention when I googled this how big it could be. it has to be horizontal address. It can't be this way. I don't know what that makes a difference, but it does. It said that on the thing. So I thought I'd share that. Oops. This one is coming apart. Just set it off to the side and get it back together right. Alright, then that might be all I'm going to put on here. Except for a sticker. Yeah. So we will put one of these stickers on here. I like that big flower right there. Could also use the bird, since this is a bird collage. Let's use that. I have to go buy me another one of these collections because I really like it. So we're going to put this right like, I didn't put any extra sticky on that, but surely it'll be okay. And I got to do a little bit of trimming down here too. Okay, I think this is done. So I will have the link to Nellie and Ruth below for information on doing the bird collage. And also, if you are in the U.S. and you would like a chance for me to send this postcard to you, just leave a comment below and I will send it out to somebody. I will draw. This is the 29th, so I will draw June 15th. I better write that down. June 15th. June 15th, I will draw a winner. So if you live in the US and you'd like this, just let me know and comment below, and then I will choose one of you to send this to. Thank you for joining me today. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.